let's assume that I want to change this color now. Let me add another one here. So this logo here, let me turn off this one. This logo here, I want to animate it again. I want to change the color. I want to automate it. I want to animate it. You can click this adjustment icon here. So let's say, let me click add keyframe here. So I come in like this, and let's say I want to change the temperature to any color. You can see how it's gonna do it. You can see how it changes the color automatically. So that is what this keyframe does. This keyframe is another thing. As a video editor, you need to learn. You need to keep practicing until you become better. So I'm also practicing as well. So I also urge you to also practice it, and then practice and improve on yourself with video editing. So if you want to export it, you can click here and export it. So you can name it to anything and export it here. So thank you once again. I remain your favorite boy, Famous Beats, once again, and then I'm at Dave's Culture Studio Entertainment. So thank you guys for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more.